Hi, this is Sheree for Just.nailedit, and guess what? It's SheModern Saturday. We've got a package. I placed an order, a little small order, but we've got an order. Let's see where I can get in here at. Whoops. Whoopsie. Oh, I got in. Let's see how I get in here now. We're gonna get in. It's like Fort Knox. Fort SheModern Knox. We're almost there. We're almost there. Almost. Here, we're in. We're in. All right. I'm so excited. I ordered. Oh, I wish I had my order for it. Let me see if I can get it. I ordered 4. Tina. I ordered the foil. I mixed the all mix. I ordered the all mix. And you know my Tina, she's just the best. What is this? What is this? Wait. I don't understand. I don't understand. These are in bottles. I really don't understand. So let me keep these separate. I ordered 4 of the pigments that are God, what did I order? Aqua. These are the 4 I ordered. Okay. Are these 4 right here, I believe. Lime, purple, emerald, and blue. I think. Maybe. Shoot. Maybe I ordered all with the same color caps. Whoops. Maybe it's what I did. No, it would be black. Maybe it's what I did here. I don't know because I deleted my text, my order form. Shoot. And you know my girl Tina, she's got to throw in some extras. So I got clear to blue. These are all temperature changing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, I can't look at these just yet. I'm sorry. We gotta focus. Focus, Sheree. Focus. We have got clear, hot, clear to blue, clear to yellow, yellow to emerald, red to yellow. So these are the 4 I did order. I did order these right here, okay? Let me check out these here in the glass bottle. Oh my Lord. Tina sent me, not sure how much you can see of my mat. These are shifting aquatic watercolors. We have got black, coral, golden coral. Some of these are temperature changing. This is called white to melon, aqua, golden shifting, black watercolor changing. Wait a minute. This is the golden. She just got me all thrown about. A white violet. She's got me all thrown about here. Okay, so there's those. I'm not sure how far on my mat you can see. Okay, so there's those, alright? Alright, so, and here's the foils. Let's jump into those in a minute. There is the neon lime fluorescent pigment, which is so beautiful. So beautiful. Then we have got the pink and the blue glow in the dark. So beautiful. So beautiful. Watch when I turn my lamp back on, it won't work. Oh my goodness. How do I shut my lamp? Oh shoot. Oh, there it goes. So beautiful. I don't know if this is gonna work. This fluorescent. Oh, buddy. These are the pink and the blue glow in the dark. That's just fluorescent. Look at those puppies glow. Look at how beautiful. To me. To me. I know my big alarm is in the way, right? Look at those glow. Look at them glow. These over here are color changing. I don't know if the light will do anything to these or not. I'm just going to check it out and see. But look at those glow. Isn't that awesome? So no, my light does nothing to those at all. Okay. But these are the pink and blue glow in the dark. This is the fluorescent. Okay, light did come back on. That's beautiful. These are black to clear and purple to clear. Let me move these down now. Tina, thank you so very much, sweetheart. You are such a doll. I don't know what I would do without you. My SheModern collection would be nil if it wasn't for you and your company. Yellow to clear, I mean, it would be nothing. My collection would be nothing. Nothing. Me and many others, right? Right. God, I can't wait for next week because that'll give me a week to play with everything, get to know a little bit about everything and how it works. I wanted to do a demo today, but I had no idea I would have this much in front of me. And I can't pick one thing to play with. I just, wow. And here is the foils. There, I forgot how many, 110 sheets in here. There's a mixture of all different shapes, pattern, bubbles, and all different shapes and transfer foils. 110 sheets for $10, I think it was. $9 maybe, I can't remember. Tina, I thank you so very, very much for all my goodies. I bless you for blessing me. You're the best. You are just the best. The best. So everyone, rush over to SheModern.com. Go treat yourself. It's well worth it, by far. Use my code at checkout. NailedIt67, all caps. There is so much on her website. You will have such a grand old time. I mean, I don't know. There's sticky stamping polish. There's watercolors. There's pigments. There's raw pigments. There's, oh my god, I can't even begin to tell you. There's pigments. There's raw pigments. There's sparkling. There's sheer. There's jelly. Watercolors. There's metallics. There's pearl stampings. Metallics. Oh my god, there's glow in the darks. Fluorescent pigments. Oh my god, I'm forgetting a dozen things. She's got bloomings coming out next week. Oh my god, there's so many things I'm forgetting to tell you. You know, she's got the golden, sparkling diamond watercolor jelly. She's got the silver watercolor jelly. She's got the pearl watercolor jelly. She's got so many things. It's just unbelievable. It's just, I'm sorry for reaching in front. Shoot. Sorry for reaching in front of you. It's just unbelievable how generous she is to her girls. I am a proud ambassador to be affiliated with SheModern. I'm proud to be, affiliated with her company. She is so generous to her people. Trying to start my tablet back up. There. So please forgive me for that. But Tina, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. You are so generous. So for me and all the other girls, we appreciate you now and forever. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my caboodle and haul for today. So to recap, we have got temperature changing. Oh my goodness. We have got temperature changing watercolor polish, which blows my mind. I can't believe we got temperature changing watercolor polish. That's so funny. Let me make sure that these are watercolor polish. Yeah, watercolor polish. That is what they are. These are jelly watercolor polish. Shifting watercolor polish at that. Let me see if I can get these babies to shake up really quick. This is the black. One is a shifting aquatic. Oh god, I can't say the word. This is the shifting golden coral, which, oh, it's already all shook up. The balls are loose. Wait. Look how beautiful that is. Can you see it? Can you see it? It is just so pretty. Aquatic. I can't say the word. I can't say the word. I can't get this open either. Aquatic. Aquatic. Oh, here, look at that. Can you see that with the naked eye? This is the black aquatic. Oh my god, I can't say it now. That is so pretty. This is a jelly watercolor polish. I have on the shifting sticky stamping polish, aquatic, shifting stamping sticky stamping polish. It is far too expensive to wear as nail polish, let me tell you, ladies, so don't do it. Don't trial. It's my trial and error for all of us, let me tell you. Excuse me. And then down here below we have got the glow-in-the-dark pigments, the fluorescent, the hot and the cold, whoopsie, hot and the cold color changing temperature pigments. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with these puppies. Cannot wait. Oh lordy. So I can't wait to be here next Saturday. Come with your lawn, not your lawn chair, but your recliner, your beverage, your snack in hand, because it's going to be a long one. I'm going to warn you now. We're going to be playing. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my haul. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important to me slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.